my channel CA Guidance Academy, and today we are going to deal with Essay 299, Responsibility of Joint Auditors. Today is day 12 of 100 days of audit shorts. Essay 299 deals with the responsibilities of joint auditors when two or more auditors are appointed to conduct an audit. The objective is to establish clear allocation of work, ensure coordination, and define the extent of responsibility of each joint auditor. Division of audit work is done by joint auditors discussing among themselves. Mutual discussions, the division should be clearly defined, preferably documented in writing. So we can say the joint auditors आपस में काम डिवाइड कर लेते हैं और उस डिविजन को प्रेफरेबल रिटर्न रखना चाहिए so that later on कोई conflict arise ना करे. Responsibility of each joint auditor, individual responsibility होते हैं. Each joint auditor is solely responsible for the work allocated to him and conclusions drawn on that portion is his responsibility. जो काम जिस ऑडिटर को असाइन किया जाता है उसके लिए fully responsible होते हैं. Joint responsibility of the joint auditors are jointly responsible, civilly responsible for all the audit opinion, okay, overall audit opinion and matters not specifically allocated. And so we can say they are also civilly responsible for the overall audit opinion, compliance with the standards on the auditing and matters not specifically allocated to particular joint auditor. ओके फाइनल ऑडिट ओपिनियन के लिए सब जॉइंट ऑडिटर्स इक्वली रिस्पॉन्सिबल होते हैं. ओके कम्युनिकेशन एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन अमंग द जॉइंट ऑडिटर्स मस्ट. जॉइंट ऑडिटर्स शुड एक्सचेंज इन्फॉर्मेशन, कोऑर्डिनेट प्लानिंग, डिस्कस सिग्निफिकेंट ऑडिट फाइंडिंग्स. ओके सो प्रॉपर कम्युनिकेशन और कोऑर्डिनेशन जॉइंट ऑडिट का एक बड़ा पोर्शन होता है. डिसएग्रीमेंट मे अराइज बिटवीन द जॉइंट ऑडिटर्स. इफ डिसएग्रीमेंट अराइज देन द मैटर शुड बी डिस्कस्ड. If it unresolved, each auditor may express a separate opinion in the audit report. Disagreement होने पर auditor separate opinion दे सकते हैं. Reporting by joint auditors. Normally, a single joint audit report is issued and signed by all the joint auditors. Usually, एक joint audit report ही होते हैं, issue किया जाता है. SA 299 ensures clarity in division of work and defines individual as well as joint auditors' responsibility in a joint audit engagement. So we can say SA 299 joint audit में responsibility और coordination को ensure करता है. Divide work clearly but opinion jointly. Thank you.